calm down. Don't talk to me. Just say hi and move on.
Forgive me, Father, but I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so blessed. Pray for me.
Hey FamBam, welcome back. I've been doing fantastic. How you doing? I really do hope you are doing fantastic. Okay, so in today's video I am going to be doing another full face of neglected products, but this one I'm going to put the word old in the title, so it's going to be full face of old neglected products, because there are products that I kind of neglect because I like some products more than them, or maybe also because I've kind of forgotten about them. But these ones are kind of, I've forgotten about them, but some of these products are a little bit old as well. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in today's video. Okay, if you guys join the FamBam, make sure to subscribe down below, turn notification, also turn notification on your phone as well for the YouTube app if you do have the YouTube app, and if you don't mind receiving notification from YouTube when your favorites upload their videos, including myself if I'm your favorite, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so without further ado, let's just straight into this video. Okay. All right, while I do my brows, I'm just gonna tell you real quick. So these products, there's not a lot of them in front of me, which is good because most of the time there is a lot. There's a lot of makeup that I don't really use that often, but these particular ones, I haven't used them in 2 years or over, and I used to use them a lot when I first got them. When I first started this channel, actually, that was when I got them. I used to use them a whole lot. And there's one product in particular here, which is the foundation. You've probably seen in the thumbnail and whatnot, that I only used once or twice. All right, brows are done. So first, naturally, since I've done brows, we need to do the eyes. Let me I literally just flipped the mirror like on the floor and it hit the back of my hand. Anyway, what is life without pain? Nothing. All right, let me prime my eyelid while we talk about this product. So this particular product, I bought it in 2016 and I was very excited. I used to use it a lot, and that is the Sleek Makeup Eye Divine Mineral Based Eyeshadow Palette. I have the original here. I mean, the name of the palette itself is called the original. The back is dirty, I don't know, but do I even have time to be wiping that off? Something is stuck on there. This is what the palette looks like. This one right here, do you guys remember this? Have you heard of these before? It's been out for such a long time, and these particular palettes, like, they all came with eyeshadow brush. Ooh, that is a bit dirty, isn't it? It comes with a mirror. Look at that. Wow, that is so old. I used it a whole lot, especially the shimmers. Actually, it's mainly shimmers. There's only one matte in this palette, and it's the black. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something. Okay, every time I see this eyeshadow palette in my drawer, I just kind of look at it and I go and I push it aside and I pick up another one. Actually, I picked up another eyeshadow palette. This one is not really that old. It's just really neglected, and intentionally, because I don't really find use for it. This is the little elf eyeshadow palette. It literally just says elf on it, and the name of this palette itself is Necessary Nude. It's a nice little palette. It's cute. The formula is not really that bad. I bought it when I was doing a one brand makeup with elf products, the second one that I did, and I liked it actually. You know, it's not bad. It's really nice. I just don't really gravitate towards it, even though I should, because of this particular shade. I like browns. This is more deeper and more cooler toned browns, but I like, you know, browns. Oh, actually, the names on this thing right here is basically the things that you use it for. They're saying that you will put this shade in your as a liner, I'm guessing, and then the shimmer shade in your crease, this one as a highlights, as a base, and on the lid. So it's a nice instruction. Do you know what I mean? Just gonna do something very simple today. Just gonna put that in the outer corner and just stamp it with a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe E27 brushes. Actually, I should come closer. Come closer, come closer, come closer. Yeah, but yeah, can you see me? Yes, you can. That shade is nice. This eyeshadow palette, I don't even feel like I want to call it a palette, because it's just it's so tiny. It's very tiny. It's very cute, you know, and it's pocket size, you know, literally, like I've got a pocket here. Look at that. Wow. I just wish they had other options, or do they? I don't know, but I wish I had other ones that has like a more warm tone colors in there. I really like the size, so I'm gonna try and use it as much as I can. You can mainly do like one look with it, whatnot, but you know, the Sleek NYX Eye Divine eyeshadow palette. All we can do literally is just use the shimmer, and I'm actually going to use this brush. You know, this little, I don't even feel like I should be calling it a brush. I feel like that's a disrespect to other brushes, to actual brushes. No offense, but you can take some offense, because what are you doing in this palette anyway? There's a dip in this particular shade. What was I doing with it? Can somebody ask the past Esther, please? Because I don't know. Should we do purple? I'm gonna use this purple shimmer. Wow. Ooh, hey, how did I actually use this? It doesn't really look used, the brush itself. I don't even remember. Okay. All right. I cannot. It's probably expired. It doesn't have a shelf life thing on it. It doesn't say. Or maybe it was on the box. I don't even know. That's nice. Okay. All right, let's grab this yellow gold. This one right here. Oh, that's very crumbly. Oh, wow. It's literally like one of those rocks that chips. You can do it. Okay, I'm just putting it right there, and we're gonna stop because this is crumbling everywhere. I'm actually gonna use this black shadow. Let me see how intense it is. And I'm going to just tap it right here and just deepen this outer edge a bit. How's that? That's not bad, is it? This shade, I did not touch the shade at all. This one, this one, this one. I don't even think I swatched it. Okay, all right. Oh, what am I doing? I need to do the other eye. I'll be right back, okay? All right, here we go. The other eye is done. That was so easy. We'll do lashes and whatnot later on, okay? Or I might never do lashes at all in this video. We don't know. Because right now it's 8 o'clock. And do we have to do lashes every time we do makeup? I don't know. Anyway, so next product is face. We're gonna do foundation. I don't really have a primer that I haven't really been using a lot, so I'm just gonna spray my face a little bit as a primer, and I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray in the smell cucumber. I like saying that, it's so funny. Okay, all right, so for foundation, nope, before foundation, that one we have to talk about it. This one, I think, have I shared this recently as a makeup that I haven't really been using, that I've been neglecting? No, I don't think I have. This is a NYX Conceal, Correct and Contour palette. I used to use this a lot when I first got it. As you can see, actually, I've hit pan on this one, and this one, and even the deeper shade right here, but I used to use this a whole lot to color correct. So I'm going to pick the orange shade and use this to color correct. I used to do this a lot, and now I just forget, and I get too lazy to wipe off makeup, and that's a waste of money, and start again. You know, no, ain't nobody got time for that. This does have a more of a thicker consistency to it. All right, so next, foundation. This is the particular foundation I was talking about earlier. I only used this once or twice. I don't remember why I didn't like it. I don't remember if I really didn't like it or if I was confused, because I bought this when I didn't really know a lot about foundation. This was way before I started doing foundation tests, and I started doing foundation tests in 2016, I think December, during Vlogmas, I remember specifically. And the first foundation test I did was the Elegoo HD foundation, which is my absolute favorite as well. One of my absolute favorite. But yeah, I bought this way before that, and I didn't really like it. This is the Black Radiance Color Perfect Oil-Free Liquid Makeup Foundation, all right? I bought 2 shades in the shade Cocoa Bean and the shade Rum Spice. Do you guys remember these? Have you seen this before? The writing is even faded. Like, I didn't really use this. There's still a lot of foundation in there. Made in China. I don't know if they even have a shelf life. They didn't put any shelf life on there, so it might still be good even though it's very old. So Cocoa Bean is definitely a bit lighter, and it seems to look a little bit, does it have a bit of an orange undertone, or is that, or am I bugging? I don't like this applicator. This applicator is not my favorite. I don't like spatula applicators because I feel like I'm, you know, stabbing myself in the face with it, and the fact that, you know, I've just put that on my face and now I have to put that back in the bottle. Okay, so that shade is actually not bad. That's actually nice. Wow, that finish is actually nice. Why have I been bugging over the past few years? This is a plastic. It's literally plastic. Oh, okay. So I think the reason why I didn't really like this when I tried it was because I didn't know that there were foundations that has a matte finish. So I wasn't used to that formula yet, because I just started, you know, when I bought this foundation. It's not a slap your face matte finish, you know, it's a comfortable matte. All right, so here it is. Finished applying it. It looks good. It does feel matte. I wouldn't say it's lightweight. Oh no, it is. It's the concealer that I'm feeling. The concealer concealer is thick in consistency and it's not really lightweight. I see its potential to crack in my crevices, like the nose area right here and the smile line. Let me try this. What shade is this? Cocoa Beam. This is gonna be a nice bronzer shade on me. Do you see that subtle shade right there? But yeah, I like that. I don't really have a concealer that I felt could still be in this video, so let me just go ahead and use the foundation a little bit, just right here, just a little. And then I am going to grab my L'Oreal, which is it's finishing. I'm gonna use this brush and just enjoy this process. All right, concealer has been applied and blended, so I need to set the concealer. This is the Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Powder. They say it's oil absorbing. I find that it mainly minimizes the appearance of shine and the production of shine. It doesn't really stop the oil from coming through. And this is what it looks like, okay? And the powder itself kind of has that little bit of a beigeness to it. You know, there's still a lot in there, so I need to use this, and they don't really have any shelf life indicator either. I do like this powder. I don't know, I just don't really reach for it as much. Oh yeah, because I love the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder, and I've gone back to using the Black Opal powder as well, but the Deluxe Finishing Powder, which is almost finishing. So I'm just gonna set it and just tap it in with the brush. Oh, I should start. All right, guys, so concealer has been set with a powder. I love this powder. I'm gonna continue to use this powder, even though I've had it for a long time. I actually bought everything all together, like all the Black Opal powders, and I'm still using this, and it's still fine, so I'm gonna keep using this. We're not gonna highlight. This highlighter right here, I used to use this a lot as well, but I haven't used it in a long time either. I also bought this when I bought all the powders too, so I'm not gonna be getting rid of this one, even though it's still a bit old. They also don't have it doesn't have a shelf life indicator on it. This was also made in China. This highlighter was really nice. It's like that e.l.f. highlighter, you know, that little one. I have that one in the shade Pink Diamond. You have to, you know, the baked highlighter, that's right. You have to kind of, you know, scrape the top a bit, but so you can get a higher pigment. This one is also called baked, yeah. So this is called the Artisan Color Baked Bronzer, but it's not a bronzer. It's got highlighting components to it, okay? And this is it right here. Like, I don't know if I would use that as a bronzer, but yeah, it's by Black Radiance. That is just so beautiful. It is, isn't it? A natural sort of highlighter. Look at that. Do you see that? We are glowing from within, you know? It is just so beautiful. Papillon. Hello. Don't talk to me. Just say hi and move on. Don't look at me, because you look at me, you need your sunglasses. Oh yes, baby. Okay, I love this highlighter. I'm gonna put it in this drawer, in my everyday drawer. So for lips, does anyone remember these? People don't really talk about it anymore, or maybe I'm just not watching the right videos. I don't know. These are the LA Girl matte liquid lipsticks. What are they called? LA Girl matte flat finish pigment gloss. I bought this in 2016. This is one of my first lipsticks that I bought, like liquid lipsticks. Actually, I think this was my very first liquid lipstick. I don't really remember. I loved these, but what I noticed is over time, it started becoming more like when you apply it, it kind of has that cracking consistency and appearance to it. It's also made in China. I've just been noticing a lot of my makeups are made in China lately. All right, so I am just going to line my lips. So I can't bother finding a lip liner. I'm just gonna use the foundation, you know, because why not? Doesn't that look like Chestnut from MAC? I guess I didn't just line the lips, I filled it in. Okay, and I'm gonna use this lipstick. Oh Lord, I hope it's still good. This is the shade I used to use a lot. What is the name? Fleur Dreamy. Yeah, Fleur. I remember. Oh my god. Wow. Let's use Fleur. Yes. Oh, that's finished. That's actually finished. Oh, yep. It's too dry-ish. That's finished. Why was I still holding that? Let's use Dream. Oh, okay. Maybe that's why it's drying, because it's literally, or maybe it's drying out. Let me swatch Bazaar. Oh yeah, I used this too. Okay, there's still some in there. That color though. Let me just scrape this. I'll scrape Dreamy. Literally, I'm scraping. I love that. Oh, are they still selling these? Okay, that's it. Wow, I love this type of color. That's why I use my Jura Cosmetics Everything Nice shade lipstick. That's why I use it a lot, because I love that color, especially when combined with a brown lip liner. Just sticking. Oh. Yep, nope. I mean, I do remember I used to be matte like that as well, you know, I do remember that, but I think this is old, it needs to go. But yeah, that is it. I'm not gonna be applying lashes because I really don't want to, but let me put it on one eye so you can see what this look would look like with lashes. Ooh, whoa, I kind of want to apply lashes now so I can take pictures with it. I'm covering one eye. All right, let me come closer so you can see my skin. Like, this skin looks good. No film trick, no clickbait. Look at this. Look at my skin. Wow, I love that foundation. I'm gonna buy, I think I might end up buying the foundation again so I can maybe check this out if it is really expired, even though they didn't really have any lifespan, shelf life in, have I said lifespan? Oh my god, shelf life indicator on the bottle, so I might buy another one and just buy the shade Rum Spice and chuck these out. Maybe I'll consider it. All right, so thanks for watching, babes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about these products, and have you heard of this foundation in particular, the Black Radiance Color Perfect foundation? Let me know, because it is a very old foundation, as in terms of when they released it and whatnot. Okay, so yeah, I've been talking for too long. Thanks for watching. As I said, as always, whatever you're doing to love yourself, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye. This is the NYX Contour Concealing. This is the NYX this is the NYX Conceal Contour and Correct. Nope, this is the NYX Conceal. Nope, Conceal Correct. What is your name? This is the NYX Conceal. This is the NYX Conceal. Okay, calm down. I'm talking to myself.